Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. I'm taking the topic from machine learning after a very long time. The topic called convolutional neural network. So what is convolutional network? First of all, here now this is a subset of machine learning. You have to remember it's a subset of machine learning, and there will be a lot of algorithms there, but it's one of the useful algorithm. It will be very useful and play the important role in the area of image processing also. Today, n number of research was going behind the image processing and also extend in the medical industry. So first of all, what is CNN? It's a type of deep learning neural network architecture commonly used in computer vision. So computer vision, as of now, it's a field of AI that enables a computer to understand and interpret the image or visual data in easy manner. Score pointer, use a data pointer, and moreover it's a type of network architecture for deep learning algorithm and used for especially for image recognition and tasks that involve the processing of pixel data, and moreover it extracts the feature from the grid like matrix data set. And let's say real-time example, let's consider visual data sets like images or videos where data patterns play an extensive role here. Say it's a simple architecture. And about the CNN architecture, it consists of a multiple layer like input layer, convolutional layer, max pooling layer, dense layer, or layer. So when no time, definitely I will try to implement the CNN with Python coding. So it's an image where I want to convey some of the information simple and manner. So input layer, whenever the give the input, the convol layer applies filter to input image to extract features. And moreover, the pooling layer down samples the image to reduce computation, and fully connected layer makes the final prediction here. The network learns the moreover optimal filters through back propagation and gradient descent. So once you go for experiment, there will get better idea. This is the general one. Another thing about the CNN, you have to know about this architecture and this everything here. And now benefits. What are the benefits we can underline here? Means as of we told, it's a subset of machine learning. It uses neural networks with at least 3 layers. That's the one compared to network just as one layer. Moreover, here both RN and CNNs are used in deep learning depending on the application and image recognition. When you come to the point of image recognition, image classification and computer vision applications are is there. So there CNNs are very useful because they provide highly accurate results compared to other algorithms when your lot of data is involved. And remember here there is no supervision of human interfacing. That means when you go for image processing concept with the help of CNN, there is no there's an interruption from the human. That means once trained data is there, CNN will take care of everything. And also here this learning eliminates the need for manual feature extraction also. And now going for applications, it's very important because when I come to the area of healthcare, CNN can examine thousands of visual reports to detect any anomalous condition in patients, such as presence of cancer cells and so on. And automotive, when you go to the area of automotive, the technology is powering research into autonomous vehicles and self-driving cars and so on. And social media, at the point of social media platform can use CNN to identify people in a user's photograph and help the user tag their friends also. And when you come to the real time, that is retail, e-commerce platform that incorporate visual search allow brands to recommend items that are likely to appeal to a shopper also. And facial recognition, also we know after coming to corona, lot of things is going under wearing a mask, facial recognition, everything. So here when I go for this one at the point here, these are used to produce new images that can then used to train deep learning models for face recognition and audio processing for visual essence. Here the assistants can learn and detect user spoken keywords and process the input to guide their actions and respond to the user here. So these are some of the applications about the CNN. I hope that you understand what is CNN and why so much important today, and what are the benefits and applications. If your queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.